hard to own or hard to drive your dream cars? Mga boss, here in this episode, we'll give you the units, budget meal units that makes your easy dreams come true. So, by the way, this is your Kuya Elmer once again from Kuya Elmer Auto Trade. So, it's May 29, 2024. As requested sa atong buyer from Secure, ipa-showcase niya ang atong lowest in the market 2010 Kia Rio EX automatic transmission. And of course, naka-rims na siya. And then, naka-outer na sa niyahang tires. So again, this is lowest in the market 2010 Kia Rio EX automatic transmission, budget meal. So ayaw mo kabalaka, start to drive, start to own your dream car in a budget meal prices. So let's go, check natin interior, exterior, including the engine ug unsa siya ka condition, anon siya ka functional ang iyang mga features and hinog rigid kaya itong unit. So let's go, check na to. Hello ma'am, good morning. So right now natakaron sa unit, it's a 2000 soon to be your 2010 Kia Rio AX automatic transmission. So first owner. So as we can see, exterior pormado ma'am kay pugi-points na niya ang iyahang rims and tires, which is naka-outer ang iyahang design. So kuan na siya, panindutan na siya. So we'll start, we'll showcase exterior, interior, engine, functions, and everything ma'am. So check na to ang left side niya. So like I said, naka-rims na siya, gi-upgrade na siya, naka-outer look, naka-outer ng iyahang ligid. So this is the left side. So minimal scratch lang gamay, pero before na to i-release ang unit, of course, complete detail ko ni siya. So left side, so likod nga portion, so tail lights, of course wala ray buak. Okay pa ang tail lights. So it's a Kia Rio. So proceed to the right side. So hinay-hinay na to ma'am ha. Unit na to ma'am, exterior wa gyud problema, pormado na kaayo. Of course, ang iyahang ligid again naka-kuan na rims, naka-outer. So nindot ni kayo. So ang naka 3 intent na iyang window ma'am, dark outside, clear inside. So this door lock, likod, and then front, right side. So I guess power mirror na ni. Let's say pagpaandar na to niya, functions niya. So this is the right side exterior. So headlight niya, of course naka-clear kuan na siya, look. So ang bumper, ang hood niya, windshield. So exterior look, of course nindot rigid ma'am. So proceed ta interior. Interior, of course, kung sa kahinog ang interior, masamot na gyud ang interior. So this is newly detailed. So as you can see, ang iyang passenger seat, I mean. So it's a canvas, original, stock pa gyud. So na-recline ang iyang chair from kuan. So newly detailed again ma'am. So proceed ta diri sa front seat. Of course, stock ra gyud ang iyang seats, canvas. So iyang kuan, steering wheel, the dashboard, so limpyo gid kaayo. So ang mga buttons niya for power window, so na-mention na kuan na to ganiya if this is power mirror or dili, marag power mirror na. So marag power mirror na siya, i-check niya atong pagpaandar. So legroom ma'am, spacious ra gyud kayo with rubber matting. So ang shifter, so mga cup holders diri. So it's a EM FM stereo. So okay. So interior, of course. Oh, ang ceiling niya to ma'am, check na to, limpyo gid kayo, yung yellowish stain wala ra gyud. So limpyo gid kayo interior. So interior, it's 100% super clean and humot kayo. So check na to ang kuan ma'am. Function siya, pandaro na to. So ma'am, proceed ta sa engine. Of course, ang pinaka-importante sa danan gyud. So ma'am, as we can see, engine newly detailed, new battery of course. So oil na to from transmission, automatic transmission, coolant, brake fluids, everything is kompleto ra gyud. So naagid siya sa max nga level. So atong hininayon ma'am, this is newly detailed engine, limpyo gid kaayo. This is the lowest in the market, 2010 TRU AX automatic transmission for only 265, but still negotiable pag yun sa akong gipiin nga price nimo ma'am. So again, engine pinaka-importante sa tanan. So check na to ang compartment sa likod, ang baggage area. Baggage area, spacious kayo, everything, every time naamoy lakaw, like long trip. So dako kayo ang masulod gidri sa baggage area. So check na to, spare key, tools and everything. So naara spare tire, naara gyud. So kompleto ra ma'am. This unit is kuanili, absolutely gas and go and ready to release na gid ma'am. And a lowest price. All right.
Touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs, their voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say now you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Play my arms and I might reach you. Not my words, like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words on the